Alright guys, so I'm over at my parents' house, and my toolbox I keep at my parents' house because I don't really have room where I live right now. And I came to get, I came to watch the Eagles play, and they lost again, but I came to also get this little kit, this little tool kit that I kept in the bottom drawer down there. I want to throw this in my truck just to have, and I found something living in it, and I don't know what it is. So let me take this over to the bench and show you guys there's something in this that is alive, and I don't know how it got there. So let me take you over to the bench right now. Alright guys, so I have it here on my dad's vise. As you can see, the bench is a mess, but I have it here so you can just kind of see there's something living under the latch. I don't know what it is, but it's alive. I don't know if it's a caterpillar or a spider, but how would it get in there? Ooh, I almost touched it. When this latch is closed, how would anything get in there? I don't know. But let me show you that it moves. All right. So I don't know if you saw it just move just there. Get out my knife. CRKT squid. There's a review coming up on this knife, but see it move right there? See it move? I don't know if it's like a spider or a caterpillar or what or how it got in here. Oh, it's alive. It was like kicking around. Of course it's not now that I'm filming. Maybe it's just scared. I don't know. There, it just jumped a little bit. Or maybe that was me touching that, but why is it not moving now? There, it just moved a tiny bit. But let's cut this open and see what the hell animal is living in my toolkit. Alright, so I have my camera as steady as possible. And I'm gonna try to... If this is a spider, I'm gonna freak out. Open it up. It seems like spider web. Alright, so this might not work. Let me try something else. Alright, so I'm just going to use my Leatherman to get it out of my toolkit in general. This may open it. Okay. So it's out of my toolkit, and let's just see if we can see what it is. 1 second. Alright, so I got the light blaring right at my phone. Will it focus? See it moving? See it? It's a spider. And it is alive. See it? How did that get the hell in there? That had to have been like one lonely little egg laid that just ended up in my toolkit. Now I'm kind of freaked out. I thought it was a caterpillar. I was hoping it was a caterpillar, but look at that guy go now that he's warmed up from this light. Alright, I'm gonna go put this guy outside. And you guys have a good one. Thanks for watching.